Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5. This week we're going to be continuing our examination of the legislative branch, looking at how Congress makes laws, so how that institutional structure we studied affects lawmaking, and representation in Congress. And that will be the foundation for our activity this week, as you'll see. We'll also begin examining the executive branch, and that will be continued next week. So this week we're going to look at the presidency and presidential power. Next week we will examine the presidency and some weaknesses to their power, as well as the bureaucracy, which is part of the executive branch. So this week, when you're ready to get started, you'll head on over to Brightspace to our week 5 module, where you'll find our discussion and quiz for the week. So this week our discussion is still going to be about Congress, but we're going to be looking at demographics, specifically demographics in the US, and comparing them to the demographics makeup of Congress. So I encourage you to leave yourself a little bit of time to sort of poke around this demographic census explorer that's part of the activity, so you can pick whichever sort of demographic group you find most interesting and compelling to examine. So once you've done that, made your initial post on Thursday, you'll have 2 replies due Sunday as usual. Your quiz this week, also due Sunday, is 16 questions, including 1 that's extra credit. So this week, Zoom, my office hours are going to be a little bit different. They'll be on Tuesday and Friday. If those don't work for you, you can always shoot me an email and we can find a different time to meet. So have a great week 5, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts on representation in Congress.